Hello, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies, FTS for short. So in this place, I'll be creating some order, about 4 orders on the range break 100. Okay, so as you can see from the dashboard, I have more of downtrend than the uptrend. That shows that the market is going to go on a downtrend. So I'll just be creating a sell order. Okay, so I'll create like 4 of it. Then you can see the market is still in equilibrium. You can see that this thing is still within the same range, so there's no breakout yet. Okay, so we'll create another, trust me, this is going to go for a very long time. So we'll just try and check if this is, if you are going to catch the breakout, and if you are not able to catch it, regardless, we'll still make our profit, we'll still be in profit. Okay, so I'm using two indicator in this video. I'm using the dashboard and the Scalper Pro. So if you have the Scalper Pro already, then you can just go ahead and use it with your dashboard and start to trade the range break. But do not jump to your live account directly. Okay, try it on demo first before you go to your live account. Okay, so we have 4 orders here. So you can see from here till this place, the market is still in range. Okay, and you can see from our dashboard, you would see that we have more of the downtrend than the uptrend. So we should be able to create sell order and make some profit from it. Okay, so we'll just wait and see how this orders, how they turn out. Okay, so we are still in profit, we are still doing fine. Okay, so as you know, this is a market that stays within range, so it goes back and forth. So it's possible this order might take a long time. Okay, so if you are fortunate enough to get the breakout, then that's a huge profit. But if we are not able to get the breakout this period, then we'll just take our profit. Okay, so as time goes by, I'll be trying to apply the stop loss. So the stop loss doesn't work in boom and crash, but it works in volatility 75. Okay, so we'll be trying the stop loss and see how it works on the range break. Okay, so we are still in the trade. So you can see how it's moving back and forth. You can see. So whenever you want to trade this, you must be very sure so as not to miss the trend. Okay, because if it keeps going like this and you place an order at the extreme end for an uptrend, and there is a breakout for the downtrend, that will be a very deep loss. Okay, and I won't advise you to create multiple orders. If you have small account size, do not create multiple order. But if your account size is sizable, like mine, so you can go ahead and create multiple order. Okay, so you can see we are using the 5 minutes time frame, and it takes 5 minutes for each candle to form. So I won't be here more than 3 candles. Okay, so I don't want to keep this for a very long time. Okay, you can see we are in the negative balance right now, but you don't have to worry, we'll still get back to profit. So once I am very sure that the breakout won't happen on the buy side or on the uptrend, so I'm very sure that we'll still be in profit. The breakout is going to happen on the downtrend, so and that is enough for us. That's enough confidence for us to stay in the market, for the market to come to our own line of trade. Okay, so we just keep watching, we'll be watching all the way through. Okay, starting another candle, so that will be more of a downtrend. While we can see the hammer, that is a candle before the hammer is an uptrend, then it now shows a downtrend with a hammer with a long wick from the bottom, so that shows an hammer. It's ending the uptrend, so it's now coming for a downtrend. Okay, so we should make more profit with this new candle that is forming, because it will be more of the downtrend. If you watch my videos on the candle formation, you should understand what I'm talking about by calling it hammer, the wick, ending an uptrend and starting a downtrend and all of that. Okay, okay, so this candle as well will take 5 minutes to form. As we all know, we are trading in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so it will take 5 minutes to form, so it goes back and forth. So but there's no problem, we'll still be in profit at the long run. We're still going to be in good profit. So we are still making some profit. So very soon we'll be picking the lines and try to set our stop loss and see how it works in the range break. Okay, although we've not seen the breakout yet, we've not seen the almighty breakout that gives big profit yet, but we'll still be taking our small profit. So whenever we are done with the trade and we want to close it, we'll just take our profit and just leave it. So we've been here for about 8 minutes or thereabouts, about 8 minutes. So we are still making profits, but we've not seen the breakout. Okay, so you can see the candle forming is more of the downtrend. You can see it's a more of the sell signal. So we just wait. If you are able to catch the big breakout, or we just take our profit and leave the market. Okay, so let's try and pick and copy the values for our stop loss. So we just pick the line, the horizontal line, set our stop loss and copy the value. So just long click on it. So click on the pencil, copy the point, select copy point. Okay, we'll copy it. then we'll go to our trade. Okay, our trade is in negative now, so we cannot set the stop loss. Okay, so wait for it to enter a kind of considerable positive value before we can set the stop loss behind it, so that we can guide our profit. So when it's about to turn against us, we'll be able to take our profit. Okay, so we spent over 10 minutes in this trade, a whole 10 minutes in this trade. So but we'll still be waiting for it to enter a good value before we put our point for the stop loss. Okay, then we'll be rounding up and try to close our trade and call it a show. Okay, so let's enter our value for the stop loss. So just modify trade. So it will set the value there. So whenever the market is reversing and it hits the value, it will just close the order for us in positive instead of crossing it and leaving us negative. So just close it for us. So this is the essence of a stop loss. Okay, so the name alone depicts its own meaning, stop loss. Okay, so we've created the stop loss on the first order. So whenever if the market goes back and it's not in our favor, then it touches the stop loss line, then it closes the order. So we just tried it just on a single one because we don't want to end the trade yet, so we can just close one of it and still keep 3. Okay, so you can see it has touches the line and it closes the trade for us like in $7 or $9. So that is a profit for us. That is the work of a stop profit, but it doesn't work in boom and crash. So we can only use it in volatility and this range break. So we are still waiting for the breakout. So just wait for about 2 minutes or thereabouts. So for this candle to form. So if you are not able to get it, then we'll close our trade and take our profit. Okay, so we've made $9 already. So and this is going to be about 15 minutes trade or thereabouts. So we've made $9, so we still make more. So at least we'll be making about $30 or thereabouts when we close our take this away, when we close our trade. Okay, so this is how you trade the range break using these two indicators so far. So we'll be exploring the range break and we'll be bringing more insights to it on how you can trade it effectively. Okay, so if you have these indicators already, sample it on the demo account before you move to your live account. Okay, it is very, very important. So we've been here for some time now, so I think it's getting to a point where we need to close our trade. So this is how the range breaks work. Okay, so let's start closing our orders. So okay, remains to let's close this. Let's close this. Oh, the network is a drag, so let's wait for it. Okay, so let's wait till it takes that away before we close the next one. So see how much we make with that when it takes it away. Okay, so you can close it now. Okay, that's about, let's close the second one. Okay, so we closed the last one. So okay, so we closed out that one about $11 or thereabouts. So let's close. So we made over $30 from this 4 trade in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Okay, but you must be sure of the trend so that you don't trade against the momentum of the market. Then you must use this Scalper Pro that will tell you the direction of the market as well. Then you must leverage lot size and you don't create too many orders. Okay, so just wait for this to stop. So thank you guys once again. This is Forex Trading Strategies. Thank you for watching all through and bye for now.